Hello class, this is teacher Gabriel from America. Today in science, I'm going to be making some iced coffee. So in science, we have to learn about all the ways that water can change. In science, we call it the states of matter. So just for your memory, okay, so if you're going to make iced coffee, we need different kinds of water, forms of water. These are the states. Here's the regular state. This is room temperature water. The molecules, and then the word again is molecules. All the molecules inside this water are just relaxed and peaceful. Like hopefully you are when you're watching this at home. You're peaceful, you're relaxed, but I have to make this, it's another word. The molecules in this, I have to make it dissolve. And in order to dissolve, I gotta add the water. So I'm gonna add our water. Now, the molecules so the water is gonna have to get hot. So this is just warm. And then we gotta make the molecules go really, 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 really fast. Really fast. So it boils. And the water's gonna boil in here. So now the water is just relaxed. But I gotta use the water where the molecules are not moving at all. They're not relaxed, they're cold. They're in the ice. The molecules are just sitting there, they're not moving at all. And then I know what you're thinking, you can't see molecules moving. So how do we know that there's molecules in the water? So that's a good question. But we know when we cook the water, when I put the water in here, all right, you can see. All right, so when I put the water in here and I boil it, the water changes. All right. Wait a minute, you guys, pay attention. Okay, so the water goes in here. All right, you guys. So the camera is moving like molecules. No. Okay. So here's my water. All right. So the water's not moving. I'm going to put energy into the water. So we're going to change this peaceful, relaxed water with the molecules just relaxed inside the water, make them go really, really fast, and make the water actually start to get really hot, because the energy from the wall, from the electricity, is gonna make the molecules go fast. Right. So you guys, you must turn it on. This is for ice. This is for ice cocoa or coffee. Now you guys are too young for coffee. Okay, just cocoa for you guys. Ice cocoa. Can you say ice cocoa or cocoa yen? Good. All right. So, and then you have to turn it on. Good. So right now, the water is just like peaceful, watching a movie. But then you're in the water's in the movie. There's all this heat. It's getting hot. There's no aircon. And look at it, it's already starting to change. It's already moving. It's already changing. So I have to put energy into the water. And it's changing to, so this is lukewarm. Lukewarm. And now this is another state, boiling. Boiling is fast, especially in Thailand. So be careful, the molecules are really going fast. Okay, so it's boiling. So the first one is um, lukewarm. Lukewarm water. That's one state of water. Or we say room temperature or lukewarm. And then to get the boiling, we put our energy, our power into the water, get the molecules moving. Now it looks like you can't tell they have a lot of energy. Yeah, they're full of energy because see, look at the camera steaming and it's hot. All right. Now we need our other form. And we need scissors. All right. So this one's a tricky step, you guys. So we have a plastic cup to make your cocoa. This one, of course, is from 7. So you gotta pour the boiling water in something that that can take all the heat in that boiling water. So this one, no, we can't use that one. So if we're gonna do experiments, we gotta always be very safe. So this one's made out of dirt. So these cups are made from dirt that we cooked and then we painted. But they can take in the energy and all that heat. And the plastic, no. The plastic will just melt. The boiling state, the water. So the boiling state of water is our second state of matter. Boiling is, you have to be very careful with boiled water. About 5 minutes you got to play with it. And it's very hot. The molecules inside still have lots of energy. That's why it's so hot. And this one doesn't have any energy. That's why they're just frozen. So the ice is our third phase. So frozen or ice. Frozen water or ice water. I prefer to say frozen water. So when it's frozen and we have the freezing temperature of 0 Celsius and the boiling point just enough to get all the molecules to hit each other and make steam. Alright, so now we're ready for the next step. This is iced coffee. And then for you, all of you students, iced cocoa, no iced coffee. Alright, so this is popular and traditional. Just a simple 3-in-1. There's no milk. I'll have to add milk and sugar because I like milk and sugar. And I think you guys do. You guys might like bubble tea, so we can make tea same way. Bubble tea with kamut. Okay, so I'll put my ice in here. And you see, the energy from the room is going into the ice and it's starting to melt. So I'll stop there. That's the cycle, the water cycle. So the water cycle, we'll talk the 3 states of matter are room temperature, where the molecules are so relaxed, boiling point, where the molecules are just so fast and they're kind of like ready to go. They're ready to steam. And the last one, when you get it cold enough, it's frozen. So those are the 3 states of matter. The next class we're going to talk about evaporation. So the ice, we're going to boil it, but yeah, we're going to lose some of the water up to the sky. Evaporation. So now I'm going to finish. I got to make my coffee. And that's all I can show you because you have to drink iced cocoa and I drink iced coffee. So can't show you anymore because you're not old enough. Okay, thanks very much. And for the reading tonight, do the states of matter, pages 9 through 14, and questions 1 and 2 on the last page. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.